Hello and welcome back to Total Crypto for another XRP video. Guys, we haven't done an XRP video for a long while, but I see something that could be a humongous move in play because I'm checking out the XRP versus BTC, and this is looking very interesting move that's about to happen within the XRP space. So for all your XRP armies out there, guys, you would need to be watching this video. So why don't we just roll the intro? Hello guys and welcome back to Total Crypto for another video, and yeah, this is looking very juicy in a minute. So without further ado, I'm gonna start producing some lines so you can see exactly what I'm looking at right now. Right, so firstly, what we've done, which is essentially made that massive move to the upside. However, this wasn't sustainable because it was a massive breakout, a parabolic move. Now, usually with all the parabolic moves to the upside or downside, if there's no other color candles right in between there, that means we should be falling straight back down into that area. Exactly what happened with XRP. And then we went sideways for a little while. This area here would have been a great accumulation area for you to add more bags of your XRP, which means that once eventually if you do break out from this zone, you will be up from that move at approximately 45% move to the upside. Now, due to XRP, whenever we go up, inevitably we'll always see it coming down. I don't know what it is about XRP, it's such a repressed coin. This is a common factor, so that means whenever we break up, it is always worth taking out some of your profits so you can re-enter and accumulate more of your XRP back. So then what happened from here? Eventually we then made our way down back into this area over here, which means this bit here would have been an additional accumulation area. If you look across, it doesn't have to be precisely from there. It could be anywhere between here to that breakout, or break out of this area right over here. You see, guys, whenever we go sideways for long enough and we break up, ultimately we can come back for a retest into this zone. So if I extend it further, you can see exactly what I meant. See, there we go. And then eventually we then made our move back to the upside, and we've broken up almost as high as this wick from there. The wick from here is slightly smaller than this one here, but end of the day we have broken to the upside before we came all the way back down again, thanks to this bullish move to the upside, or should I say a parabolic move to the upside with an extremely long ass candle like that, which ultimately brings us back down within this zone. Not always exactly right down there, but at least within this area here. So what I'm going to do then on this daily chart on the XRP is to zoom in closer so we can see exactly what's been going on. Alright, so we've broken out from this area and now we came back to retest the zone. Now for some people, they like to extend their box from either to the bottom of the body of the candle or down to the wick. And it looks like it's been wicked here like so many times, so that must be the liquidity area. So that means there's a liquidity grab right here. So that means if you entered anywhere around this area here or anywhere here, you would be hopefully in a profit or on the verge of being in a profit. Because normally whenever we see a big candle to the upside like this, then we should be coming back down for a retest and hopefully expecting a bigger move or continuation to the upside. Because we zoomed in closer into the chart, it looks like a typical playbook that we are going to move to the upside, because all we've done so far, we've gone up, we then came back down into this zone over here, followed by a bigger move to the upside like so, which means we actually broke hang on, let me get this. We actually broke this last high, turning now into support as we've broken up. And now we came back down to retest this support right over here, or anywhere between there. And it looks like we've wicked down there and we've made our move, or about to make our move to the upside. So it all depends on this daily chart, whether we do hold this move here. So that means if this becomes a long wick of the body and we close out anywhere around here, it should be a bullish move that we should be going up higher. But we just need to see the tomorrow candle to be hopefully a green candle bigger than this candle body there to the upside. Then that would be a confirmation and a stronger confluence that we should be moving even much higher high. Now, looking previously what happened with XRP, if this was to play out, this doesn't make sense actually. Look at the chart like this, because all you see is just all my crazy lines. So okay, now I can't be asked deleting them, but anyway, but you get the gist. We just now need to hopefully see a move to the upside from here, going up to our last high, and that should bring XRP to around about 92 cents. Now if that is to happen, from the grand scheme of things, then it looks like that we are on a trajectory of going to the upside, because if I pull out the another arrow, use it as a trend line, it looks like we're just going up and up and up, and we could be seeing a lower higher, lower higher, higher higher, and keep going further to the upside. Now that would be an amazing move for XRP. However, if we were to zoom out slightly, it looks like we've been coiling here long enough for us to see a breakout of this whole entire structure, and I wouldn't be surprised if we do see a massive move coming in for XRP. And guess what, guys, that will finally be the best news for anyone who ever held or still hodling XRP, because even I still believe XRP can reach at least $5 in this bull run, but $5 it seems too little if you ask me. In fact, what I'm going to do, let me zoom out on the chart, or even just go onto the monthly chart. Then if I was to zoom out slightly, let's get rid of all the drawings, because I want you to see exactly what I see with XRP. Right, so on the monthly, yeah, look at this, guys, we're just moving up and up and up, making higher highs. So from here to our all-time highs, and I'm using a data source from KuCoin, it looks like KuCoin's all-time high of XRP, if I measure even from the top of the wick, that is, we got another 204% move to the upside for around about $1.98. But I doubt we go above here and only stay above there by a couple of dollars. I reckon, because XRP has seriously missed out on so many cycles, well, quite a few cycles actually. I believe two bull cycles where we didn't move up at all. In fact, it's been so heavily suppressed. So what I'm going to do now instead, I'm going to get my Fibonacci retracement tool, and then you can see exactly what I'm looking for, right from the top to right down to the bottom. And if we squeeze out or zoom out of the charts, then I reckon we should be able to easily achieve a $8 XRP, or at least in a cycle, and that will take XRP all the way up to 1,118% move to the upside. So if you've been accumulating for the longest, around for the past couple of years, you should have a quite big bags of XRP. That could be a moon bag, in fact, because XRP at one point did fell around about 16 cents, and if you were accumulating your XRPs from that point till now, for instance, then yeah, you'd be in a massive hodling bag. But I don't know, guys, what do you reckon? Do you reckon XRP will reach its all-time high, depending on which exchange you use? Or do you think that we can see a humongous move to the upside of around about between $8 or even $10? So guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Either way, I reckon XRP will rise to the moon. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, guys, what are you waiting for? But before I do that, don't forget to head over towards my Total Crypto 23 Patreon. You will find the description down below. That way you get a shout out for every of my videos towards the end of my every videos that I create, and stay ahead of the herd with all of my contents before I produce it onto YouTube, so you can be ahead of the crowd. So hopefully you might find that useful and informative, and most importantly, to trade profitably. And let's see if we can rise and fly up to the moon. So if you haven't yet, guys, do me a favor, subscribe to me over here. If you don't want to subscribe to me, that's absolutely fine. Just go over here if you'd like to just check out my next juicy video, and I'll see you all in the next one.